Ever wondered what your home is really worth in today's market? Today, we're diving into Zillow, the go-to platform for estimating your property's value. Step by simple step. First, head over to Zillow.com and in the prominent search bar, type in the address of the property you want to evaluate. Once you're on the property page, look for the Zestimate. This is Zillow's estimated market value, calculated using public data and user-submitted information. Keep in mind it's an estimate, not a professional appraisal. Scroll down to the See Similar Homes section. This is where you'll find comparable sales or comps. These are recently sold properties in your area with similar features. Examine these comparable sales closely. Pay attention to details like square footage, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, lot size, and most importantly, the sale price. Adjust your estimate up or down based on how your property compares to these recently sold homes. Use the map view to explore other properties in your neighborhood. This gives you a broader perspective on recent sales trends and pricing. For a more accurate Zestimate, make sure your property information on Zillow is up to date. Add details about any renovations or upgrades you've made. And that's it. You've now got a good understanding of how to use Zillow to estimate your home's value. Remember, this is just an estimate. For a truly accurate valuation, consult with a professional appraiser. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips.